Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am uploading day 3 of my Nightingale gameplay. So this is the post-Rome update. If you missed part 2, that is available on my Twitch. So let's get into it. Okay. I know you didn't get to watch. I know you said. I'm glad you're here. Chris also should be joining you. But I know you didn't watch the last one because you didn't get the notification, which is fine. So I'm in my second realm right now. And I am working on the next stages for this realm so I can make it to the next one. And so while I was offline, I did upgraded my house. I'm working on upgrading all of my tools. I'm gonna try to upgrade my outfit and have a gun now. Pew pew. Okay. So, the last thing I need to do before I take on the next step of this adventure, is my outfit. Because I still have all of the basic outfits right now. So I want to do that next, but I don't know if I have capability to craft all of it just yet. Okay, I can do some of it. Let's see. So the problem is I have very little tier 2 essence right now, so I have to be careful with what I'm spending it on. I definitely think the shoes would be good. Ooh, I want the pack, that's for sure. Okay, so what do I need? Twine and felt. Twine and felt. Twine, felt, and steaks. Twine and felt. It does. It like well, one, when it's raining outside, it protects me from wet, which when I get wet, if you like the bar fills up, your stamina decreases. And then sometimes when it's raining, it ends up turning into hail, and the hail does damage. But also, while I'm outside, I can float with it. I know, it's so cute. Close it up. Okay. So, twine and felt, and I think that's all I need. So, felt. A few of those. And twine. Make some of that. Exactly, Mary Poppins with a block. It's actually a revolver. But thank you. Okay. Wait for the twine to finish. I guess we can start crafting my shoes. And my pants. And let's see, the backpack. Need more twine. Okay, let's flip that and the shoes and the backpack. We'll just get rid of these because we don't need them. Shirt. Right. Okay. And put the excess that we don't need in there. And then I think we're ready to go to the next mission. There's something I was gonna put away. Oh, this. I want this one and this though, because I don't want to use it. Oh, There's something else I want to build before I run away. Oh yeah, see, so if I don't have my umbrella out and it's raining, you can see the little wave in the bottom left corner. And as that fills up, my stamina doesn't regenerate as faster and stuff. I don't know. So we try to keep our umbrella out. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna build something. Let's see if this. So, this will allow you to teleport. So inside the same realm, I can teleport from this location to another one anywhere else on the map. And there's one, I think where you spawn in. But I want one by my house so that I can spawn at my house easier later. Put it right out front. Maybe, maybe not. I don't want it in front of my stairs. Put it on the rocks. That'll work. Okay, so I need the lotus and carved stone. My lotus is in here. Okay. And 2 carved stone. I think that's what the masonry is. Those do that really quick. Okay. And then we should be able to... Alright, we're gonna rename it, and it's gonna say how. Yeah, so where I arrived, there's one at where I arrived in town, which is, I think, nope. I don't know, somewhere. It's somewhere. Alright, so I think I'm ready to go do all the things. Make sure. The axe, the pickaxe, the scythe, upgraded. Oh, I kind of want to upgrade the throwing knives. See if I can do that. Throwing knives. Just need some thread. Easy peasy. Okay. Throwing knives, throwing knives. I use them a lot more often than I was expecting. Right, and extract, because we don't need those. Oh, I don't need spices either. Well, actually, I want the spices with other food items. I should have a, yes I do. Food chest. And do I have enough food? Do, but I want to make a couple more potions before we leave, because that possibility I'm gonna get my ass kicked. Moderate health potion. Only do 5. Oh. Okay. Oops. It needs fire. Okay. Wonder if see, nice. Okay, so they do stack. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so I think the last thing I'm gonna do before I go is fill up my rest bar. And we're gonna go sleep. And then we'll eat. And then we'll be off to do our mission. Okay. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alright. I think there was... At the abandoned settlement. I kind of want to do that first before I go to the vault. Yeah. So, our abandoned settlement is up here. Yeah, we'll go do that first. I got this quest from a lady at the village that I first came in. She seemed very stressed out, so we're gonna go take back the abandoned settlement. Right. I could hear him stomping behind me. Boop. I made it. All right. I do kind of want, I need more essence, so I'm gonna grab these while I'm out here. Those are all mine. Oh my god. My cat's knocked something over. I hope my cat's knocked something over. Parky, what were you doing? You being a naughty girl? Alright, I am going the wrong direction. There we go, we're going this way. We'll go up. We'll follow the trail. I don't think it's raining anymore. Of course, now it starts to rain. Okay. Oh my god. Hi. Okay, defeat the bound infestations in the abandoned settlement. That's where we're going. We met these friends earlier. We helped them with, they're gonna let me get in there. Oops. Okay, this way. Whee! All the trees are infected and then whatever, so that's why some of the trees look really funny. Perfect. Alright, we're super close. I'm going to... Oops! Ah! Okay. My weapon's out. Oh boy. That was rude. Jesus. Alright, Wilbur. You gotta help me out here. We need to give Wilbur a better weapon. His does not do enough damage anymore. And before we move on, we should skin them. You can hear the bound screaming at me. I'll get to you guys next. Don't worry. You'll get to die soon. Alright. Alright, alright. What the? Where did you come from? Dude snuck up on me. Okie dokie. Which house should we start at first? Guess this is the one we're gonna start at. He should be dead! Hey. Let's break into the house. This before more spawn. Too late, more spawn. Alright. Where are you? Oh, there he is. Ouch. Oh. Dodged it, rude. Wilbur's been injured. Youch. Come on, get up, friend. You'll be alright. Hey! I cleared this house. Oh, I see the chest. It's under the stairs. Yeah! The sickle, I'm on the tier 2 sickle, and the gun is the first tier of the gun. So I think when I get the next tier, it'll do more damage. I also may have an enchantment on the sickle, and my gun has no enchantments because I just crafted it. I don't know how to tell if I have. I don't know if I have an enchantment, but the enchantments will it'll increase damage or give it like special abilities, magic power and stuff. Okay, the first one's been cleared. So let's come in here. What's up here? Alright, we gotta get rid of this thing. Ow. Very rude. No! Ah, there he is. I fell. Ouch. Pick up Wilbur. Reload. You'll be alright, friend. Okay. I'm not reading that. There it is. Alright. There's totally a chest up there. There's totally a chest up there. Wonder if these will work. Nope. It will work to get me there. Okay. Just jump across. Hey. Ah. No! Whoa. I need to be right there. I'm coming back. Okay. She just doesn't grab on anymore. Okay. we go. And across. Grab it. Nice. And float over. Perfect. Pink and ingot. Nice. What we want. Okay, and now we've got one more house to do. Make sure our gun is loaded. Let's get some grenades back crafted. How are they? How do I get in? Character just doesn't grab onto things sometimes. It's really cool. Maybe I can break through this? Nope. Ooh. Pickaxe out and break the wall. And destroy this. Before he hits me. Alright, alright. Oh, no, 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 don't fall off. Yikes. Nope. We are gonna go over him. No! Oh. Yep, yep, that, yep, yep. Okay. Uncool. Around the corner. Yikes. Oops. Hurt myself. I missed. Now he's dead. Okay. Reload. And let's see if we can. Up. Nice. Alright. Collect our things. And nice. No chest in here? No chest? There's always a chest. Nectar. That's cool. Anything else? Oops. Repair. Nice. Okay. Can I... Bet you there's something outside. Whee! Haha, there's the chest. I think there's always a chest. Anything up here? Nope. Okay. So, back to Miriam. Alright, where's Miriam? Quest ready? Maybe that's where I came from. Okay, we'll go back that way. She is that direction. Ooh, put our umbrella up before I jump off. Not trying to kill myself. Oh no, my character's hungry. I have very little stamina. Alright, let's eat really quick. Nice. Okay, here we go. Go turn our quest in. And then we will... Where's the vault? Just in case it's on my way. The site of power. Cave. Refugee. Portal? Oh, no. Vault. Enter the vault at Oh, wait, what? Maybe it's actually in there. Oh no, there's the vault. Yeah, I should go do that. It's on my way. Might as well. That's part of our mission. We will go to the vault. And then we'll go back to her and tell her we did all the things that she asked, because we're amazing. It's a bear. Keep running. The bears are very mean. Oh my god, it's behind me. No. Wilbur, leave the bear alone. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He's coming. All right. Got. I got distracted by a bear. I think it's on. Is it on the mountain? It's on that side. How did I ran completely past it. Go me. Oh. It's this place. Broken down little tower. Perfect landing. Okay. And inside we go. Wilbur, are you here? Get the essence, because we need it. Ha! Okay. Oh, don't! I'm not ready. Oh, grenade. Ah! Come back here. Come back here. Stop running. Thanks, Wilbur. Good work. Hey, come back. I need to give you some things because I don't want to get weighed down. You hold on to all those goodies. Thanks, friend. Ah! Rude. What's this? Nice. Shimmering ore. Okay, we'll keep that. Alright, alright. Okay. That. Anything else down here while we're at the edge? Don't jump down. Okay, we'll go down this way. Nothing over here. Oh, there's quite a few of them. Yikes! Eat my sickle. Nice. Alright, let's see if there's anything else down here. There's a portal. Activate that portal and... There's a further down? Go back for the portal. We'll go further down. Oh. This is just amber. Yep. Which we need, I think. Or something. I don't know what. Okay. Nice. Alright, let's go back and activate the portal. Fair. Okay. Boom. Before he shoots, kill him. Back. Who's it? Glamour token. I still haven't figured out how I use those. They're supposed to make it so I can transmog my character, so my outfits look cool. But I don't know where I use them. So, it's not that cool yet. Into the portal we go. Continue journey. Oh, did I bring my fishing pole with me? Nope. That's okay. Okie dokie. The gold ones always have like ammunition in it, like special ammunition, and then this usually just has like lumber and wood and coal. Coal is good. I want coal. The rest of it I don't really care about. My gunpowder. Whatever. He can pick it up. Thanks, friend. Okay. Breakable walls. See if there's anything hidden. Yes. Nice. Use all of the tokens. Wonder if there's like super cool outfits. Anything else over here? Okay, we'll go up. Don't touch the angry red thing. Ooh, a chest. Okay. Oh, I hear them. Dead. Pretty sure there was another one. There he is. Got him. Okay. Is that all? Supposed to do something. Come on. Behind you, Wilbur. Will you hit him? Are we like... Music makes it sound like there's still things happening. Must be missing something. Okay. So oh, okay, so there's more. Angry, angry, angry. Bye. Bye. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm scared. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Ouch, she hurt me. Really? You hurt my friend? Now you die. Oops, if I don't die first. Wilbur, I'm coming for you. Stop dying, bro. Alright. Okay. Oh. Nice. Around the enemies. Did I come from this way? I don't think so. Hey Wilbur. Take that and that. Thanks. Alright, let's eat before we continue. We'll wait to, oops, oh well, guess I ate that instead. Okay. Don't know what's next. Touch it. Oh, there's another one. Hi friends. Oops. Too close. Rude. Climb. Thank you. Alright, Wilbur, do me a favor. Don't die. It's probably going to be 3 rounds of enemies, just like they were in the first section. If I can get on top of this one. Nice. Ah, I can't see. Oh dear. My best friend. Please don't shoot me! Please don't shoot me! Nice work. That was 2. Should be 1 more. Still red down there, so... Here we go. Oops, that's my teammate. Okay. be all of them. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Yay! Float. Thank you. Repair. Okay. And we move on. Quest completed. Good. Nice. Okay. Oh wait. I thought I clicked on this already. No. And through the portal we go. It has been done. So now we can go back to Miriam and tell her that we did everything she asked of us. And we didn't die. Go me. Oh. She should be right in front of us, so I'm not going to teleport. Cheerio! What do you want this time? Can't imagine what this sense of security will do for my village. Alright. Nope. I have also cured the trees. Yeah, tell Anna that she's not a witch and that it's not her fault that the trees are sick. Leave me. I don't need you. Yeah, when I came into the realm, she blamed a woman named Anna, claiming that she's a witch and that she's the reason the trees were dying. She was not the reason the trees were dying. Okay. Let's go back home. Drop off our stuff. I don't know if this is my... It is. Confirm. Okay. Drop all our things off. And probably craft some more ammo while I'm here. I don't know where I'm hiding those. Figure that out. Just a minute. What is this? When applied to equipment, this infusion provides increased melee damage. Let's add that. Apply to... Now my sickle will do even more damage. And I don't have those. I don't need that. We'll hold on to our fancy schmancy stuff. Don't need that. This is food-based. Food-based, food-based. Let's put that somewhere else. That there. Oh, there's an ammo. Anything else? Alright, hold on to that. And then we'll see if we can craft some more ammo. Perfect. And hi, Wilbur. What else? What else? What else? So the site of power is all I have to do next. Maybe craft some more health potions just to be safe. Yeah, might as well. Ignite. Okay. And let's see what we can unlock now. Ooh, I could make a scarf. Be fun. Could do a better hat. Do the same thing. This one has less materials though. We'll go with that one. And we should learn how to make different foods. And for free, okay. Anything else? Oh, yes, I want that. I learned that earlier. And a pet bed. I'm gonna have a pet. Anything else decoration-wise I want? I don't have any. Refinements. There's nothing else I want. Now, tools. See, I've read that some people really like the refined longbow. But I don't know that it's worth it. Two recipes. Okay. Blunderbuss, refined bolt action rifle. What's this one? Rugged Lancaster? When do I get that? Unlike the... Oh, okay. So what I'm doing next is the side of power, and then I can unlock the next row. Which does more... Okay. Grab our potions. Turn that off. How much ammo do we have? 220? That should be good. That should be... Oh, wait. Let's see if we can make our hat. I need bread. I need 2 thread. I should pay more attention. Should just make a couple so we don't have to deal with this later. Hat. Yay! Get rid of that. Okay. Quit. Extract. Nice. What a good look. What a good look. Alright, so thanks for watching. This concludes part 1 of day 3's gameplay. Look out for my next upload, which will have some more of the gameplay from day 3. We do complete this realm through my day 3, so there's going to be quite a bit more content to come. So look out for that, and thanks for watching.